So, welcome to South Barry Island, Sandcastle, capital of the world. My name is Andy Hancock, and we're going to show you how to recycle this little castle we got behind us, okay? And what do you do? You know, how do you get there? What do you do? How do you make it even bigger and better? Because you've already learned once. Well, we're going to show you right now. So the first thing to do is get your barrels in position, get the two buckets. We've got the big 55-gallon over on the top of the big kit tower, and there's 45-gallon one here because we're going to show you how to stack a bridge. So that's what we're doing. I'm going to fill those now. Never waste a good pile of sand. Why would you not recycle it? You want to dig all that again? That's over 1,200 pounds. I don't think so. So use the sand you've got, don't waste it, don't waste your time, collapse one into the other, make sure they're reasonably straight, but you can straighten them up as you get that bottom part formed. You can't leave too much sand in the big one because you won't be able to get it mixed properly. You can't ensure that it's mixed at the bottom, and that's really important. Onward, and we'll cut to the bit where they're both full. Yay! You have to make sure when you're mixing this big one that you crack all that sand. So best to pour water down one side of it and then collapse the sand inwards and then fill the other side. It's the only way to get it uniform. So you can see now, you can see the block behind me. I'm just stacking up the 5-gallon, the 11-gallon bucket, and we're going to put that on top, and then a 2 on top of that, and then we're going to build a bridge. So the sandcastle will be over 2,000 pounds, over a ton when it's filled. That's why you recycle. Who wants to shovel a ton of sand, Dad? Not me. You can see we've got the buckets off by ourselves using a bit of leverage. Bit of physics there, kids. If you need some extra power, use a lever. But what we're going to do now is we're going to put a small wall right there. So we're going to wet pack that wall, and we'll get the camera in a bit closer. We're going to wet pack the wall so as we can carve some more arches out of there later, and also so we can build some more bridges. So we're going to show you that too. But that's how you get all the buckets off by yourself, and that's 2,000 plus pounds of sand sitting there. So this is why our sand is so good in South Barry Island, because we are the sandcastle capital of the world, obviously. So here you can see that we've got both the buckets piled up. We put another one here just to give ourselves some flow, and we're going to put another little bucket. I'm going to peel this one and put another bucket off there, and then we can peel all this stuff off and get going. So that's how you do it. This will be about, oh, it's going to be £2,500 at least. So, but yeah, not far to go. I'm going to show you some tools today. We've got the big trowel, the spatula, which has got a crank in it, like that. And then this guy, this is brand new. Beautiful V tool, nice and flexible. Okay, so we're going to show you how to use that. So the idea is to take some of the weight off the top first, and then thin the bridge out a tiny bit, because if we make the middle thinner, it'll last longer. And then we'll crack these other buckets afterwards. We don't need to do it now while we're still taking weight off. Take the weight off the top before you pull the buckets out of the bottom. So let's just get on with it. Don't pat your sandcastle, whatever you do, that happens. So that proves we're not all infallible, didn't it? Did you see that? Very bad. That's what the straw's for. Do that and just, and then to make a door,